Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding contacts on Skype. I'll show you how to do it both on the desktop version of Skype and on the mobile app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. On PC, when you're on the main page of Skype, simply tap the search field to begin the search. Now start typing either the full name, email address or Skype username of the person you want to add. Select People from the category tabs. If your contact is on Skype, you should see their profile in the list below the search field. Click on a person to open a chat with them, but to add them you need to now click their name at the top of the chat and then select Add Contact. They will receive an alert letting them know you have added them, and you'll be notified when they add you back. On mobile Skype, search for your contact in the search bar here by typing their name, email or Skype username. Click on their profile once you find it in the search results. From the chat page here, tap their name again at the top. Now select Add Contact. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Skype tips and tricks.